going to start. Chapter 2, more about keyboard, I am going to start. Okay. So here I will read few things and I will give you to read the rest of the things. Okay. So here I'm going to start it. Keyboard is the most widely used input device. Okay, input device also we known as the hardware, and in the hardware category, input device. Hardware means what? Computer hardware means hardware which we can touch. Okay, and software, computer software, those things we couldn't touch. It is used to enter data or commands to the computer. It has a set of alphabet keys, a set of digit keys, and various function keys. Okay, it is an important part of the computer system. A computer keyboard has 104 keys. The keyboard has letter keys, number keys, function keys, arrow keys, and special keys. Okay, mark those things here. Keyboard has 104 keys. This line is very much important. So I can ask you in any day that keyboard has how many keys. You have to give me answer, and what type of keys? Letter keys, function keys, arrow keys, and special keys. Later we will read that what are the main functions of those things. Okay, which keys is doing what? Next page we will read. So give a reading, and here from your book, here the picture is not so clear. From your book you just read that where the at the keyboard where which key is located. Okay, please give a nice reading and nice look at those. Here you can see at the top of the keyboard function keys are there. In the middle here alphabet keys are there, function keys are there. Next tab, caps lock keys, these are called as special keys. Shift, backspace, enter, arrow, number keys all are also there on the right side. Okay. So if I'm going to ask you that where alphabet keys are located in the keyboard, you have to write that in the middle. Okay. Please give a nice reading up to this. Okay, I hope that everyone has done. And everyone has marked also. So I am clearing. Do it fast. If it is not marked, do it fast. Afterwards, I will clear this thing. Okay, so I'm clearing the drawings, and I will go to the next page for the further proceeding of this chapter. Okay, so alphabet keys. Alphabet and English alphabets are how many? 26 letters are there, but it is not in the keyboard. It is not arranged like A, B, C, D, how we have read from our childhood. It is in first is 10 letters, in this 10 letters QWERTY and UIOP. That is why sometimes it is called our keyboard QWERTY keyboard. Okay, it is called QWERTY keyboard. Few times. Okay. After that second row AST, and these are 9 letters, and ZXCBBNM. These are 7 letters. So all these letters are used to do what? Are used to type text. These keys are in the middle of the keyboard. Okay, I just told you that where the alphabet keys are located. If I'm going to ask this kind of questions, you have to write like that in the middle of the keyboard, those alphabet keys are located. Or if I'm going to give you the questions like that, how many rows are there in the alphabet keys, you have to write 3 rows are there. Okay. So give a nice reading. After that, you can see that number keys. Numbers, you all know all the digits in maths, whatever we are learning, those are known as numbers. And there are how many digits are there? Actually 10 digits from 0 to 9, including 0, 10 digits are there. And by these 10 digits, we can form many numbers. And numbers is means we cannot finish our counting because we don't know the last number. Okay. So that is the maths thing. We will do it later in the maths class. After that, these keys are called number keys, and the numeric keypad on the right side of your keyboard allows you an alternative method of using computer keyboard numbers for calculations purposes. To use numeric keypad, numlock key should be on. Numlock key nowadays means in the laptops, if you are having any, or if you have seen of your parents, numlock key is not there. Okay, because nowadays keyboards are made like that so that numbers can be used without numlock keys. But if it is an old version of computer or keyboard is there, a numlock key should be there, but not in the laptop keyboard. Arrow keys, arrow means and these arrows are having different name. Up arrows, this is known as down, this is known as right, and this is known as left. Okay, so these are arrow keys. These are arrow keys. We can move to left, right, up, and down, and these are also known as cursor control. These are also known as cursor control keys, because in the word, if you have seen or if you've done any that, suppose I'm going from the first line to last line, we can use arrow keys, right? We can just use this kind of keys. Okay, so while I will show in one Word document all those keys, key how it is working, that time you will get to know. Next is special keys. Special key is having, on the name it is very clear that it is having special purposes like escape key, alt key, caps lock key, and spacebar key, etc. Okay, so there is shift, delete, alt, end, home, control, and tab. All these keys are known as special keys from here to here. So you need to remember those names. Pictures you don't need, but name you need. This is ESC means escape key. We are telling that. Space means space bar. Enter, you all know, to go to the next line we are using enter. Or entering means entering some data in some field. We are using this kind of keys. So here special key we will read. Backspace key is doing what? Used to delete the character on the left of the cursor. Cursor means here I am moving one. You can see. Suppose I am just here on the black side. Here you all can see the black side, the arrow-like structure, which we can move, right? Here I am moving it by my mouse. Here, this is actually known as cursor. When we were doing it, mainly the keyboards are getting used in the Word or anything entering or something like that. That type of things we can just, the cursor is that time needed. Okay, next coming to caps lock. Caps lock is doing what? Caps lock, when you type something in small letters. Normally, caps lock key, when we are going to on it and after that we are typing the alphabet keys, it will be capital letter. Caps means from capital it is coming caps lock. Okay, or if it is not on, mean it is off, the alphabet keys are coming as the small, means lower case, coming in the lower case. Okay, so it shows that the caps lock is on. To go back to the typing lowercase letters, press the caps lock key again. Numbers and special keys are not affected by the caps lock keys. Okay, so please mark those things. You activate a feature that type uppercase letters continuously. Okay, here I suppose I'm type text box I'm taking, and here I'm on turning on my caps lock. While I am turning on my caps lock on my keyboard, okay, no means message will appear in the screen or something like that. In the keyboard, one light will be on. Okay, so I'm writing suppose computer. Okay, it is coming in the capital letter. I'm pressing enter now. Okay, now caps lock I have just again press and it will be turned off automatically. Now I'm writing computer. You all can see that first is the all are capital letters. When I have turned on means ওই সুইচটাকে একবার আমি অন করে দিয়েছি। ওকে, পাখা লাইটের সুইচের মতোই ক্যাপস লক অন আর অফ হয়। Okay, and computer when I have turned off. Okay, and that time I have just that time I have just put all those alphabets, and here it is computer. Okay, so it is pretty clear. Okay, suppose after computer I am writing one more word, book. Okay, here you can see one space is there, right, on the blue part. Here I have used the space bar. Here I have used which key? I have used space bar key to give the space. And space bar is the longest key on the keyboard. If I am going to ask you that which is the longest key on the keyboard, you have to give answer that space bar key is the longest key on the keyboard. Okay, we want to enter a blank character or a space. Suppose you want to write the name Divit Sharma, your name also you can write. You have two space bars. Computer book I have written. Here you can see one space is there in between these two arrows. Okay, here where I'm marking by round. Here I have used which key? I have used space bar. Okay, so up to this everything is clear, I hope so. If not, please raise your hand. What is the problem? First you let me know. Yes, Shahanish, what is the problem? Any problem is there?
No, ma'am, no problem, but
unmute once.
Ma'am,
Yes.
there is no problem, but the question answers of chapter 1 I want to show you.
Oh, you want to show me? At last you will show. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Shaptaparna, any problem? Unmute yourself.
Ma'am, I just now joined. For network is issue.
Everyone, if network is issuing, I told you one solution. After today I will just upload the videos later, maybe in the evening. Okay, so that time you can come and see on the YouTube. Link also I'm sending every day, right?
Okay.
Yes, Aratrika. Any problem?
Ma'am, what is the meaning of alternative?
Alternative is a key name.
Yes, ma'am.
Key, special kind of key. Okay, and its what is I'm telling you. Okay, just give me 1 second. I'm telling you what is the use of alternative key. Alternative keys is used to change the function, okay? Function of any key which is already turned on or something like that. It is a little bit trickier to understand, so no need to understand now. Basic things you understand: enter, space bar, number keys, alphabet keys, backspace. Those keys first you understand. Afterwards, you will just I will just any day if I'm going to get the offline class with you, I will show you what is the use. Okay, I'm not going to take
Understand the caps lock key.
ক্যাপস লক কিটা যখন অন করে দিয়েছি তখন এইভাবে লিখতে পাচ্ছি কন্টিনিউয়াসলি, হ্যাঁ। আর যখন অন করিনি আমি, তখন আমি কিন্তু এই কম্পিউটার বুকটা লিখেছি উইদাউট জাস্ট অন দা ক্যাপস লক কি, তখন সবগুলো ছোট হাতের আসবে। এবার বুঝতে পারলে?
Yes, ma'am.
ওকে, mute yourself please. After that, enter key is there, okay? Enter key is what? It is used to enter comments or to move cursor to the beginning of the next line. There are two enter keys on the keyboard, first near the alphabet keys and the second one is the numeric keypad. Enter key is generally marked with this sign, okay? A tilted arrow, or we can say like that. Okay, so up to this, keep a nice reading. I am saving this picture. I will send these things also. Give a nice reading, all of you. If any question is there, ask me. Please lower all of your hand, because most of the students are saying, "Ma'am, done." For done, you are just raising your hand. If any problem is there up to this, again you can raise the hand. But for not "Ma'am, done," completed, this kind of things after unmuting, I don't want to listen. Give a nice reading from your book. Meanwhile, I am going to check the attendance. Attendance I will upload, I will mark today, later, okay? Who just joined now? Please raise your hand. Only up to that it will be done. Okay, so on the next page, shift key. Shift key is used with other keys for special purpose. That is why it is known as special key. If you press and hold the shift key along with the letter key, it will type the letter in the capital. When the caps is turned off, shift plus A, it will comes as capital. Caps lock is off. Means every time for writing capital letter, we have to not turn on the caps lock key. We can just use the shift key. We can use shift plus that key together. Means together we have to press. Only then we can just come to the the uppercase will come, as well as when we are pressing shift plus uppercase, that time the lowercase will come like this. There are some keys on the keyboard which have two symbols or a number and the symbols on it. To type the upper symbol, and you need to press and hold the shift key along with the symbol key. Next, coming to delete key. Delete key is sometimes labeled as del on the keyboard. It is used to erase anything typed on the right side of the cursor. Means by backspace, whatever is typed on the left of the cursor, we can delete, and for the right side of the cursor, if we want to delete, it will be the delete key. Okay, next coming to tab key, you can press tab key to move the cursor several spaces forward at once. Next, coming to escape key, the short form of escape key is ESC. It is placed at the top left corner in the most of the keyboards. These keys allow to cancel an operation. Again, function keys. Function keys are having special functions. Okay, while I am going to make you learn those what can I say, PowerPoint presentation. That time function keys we can just use. Okay, so next coming to home key and end key. Home key will take you to beginning of a line, and the end key will take you to end of a line. Okay, page up and page down. Page up and page down is allowed to move through a page complete screen in a single step. Okay, means by arrow keys also we can do the same thing, but we have to press multiple times for those for the page up or page down. But for if we are just pressing page up or page down by at once, for means what can I say, if I'm going to press once only the page up or page down, it will come in the top of the page or in the bottom of the page. Okay, and insert key allows you to type material over you already typed. And print screen is actually, from the name it is very clear, I can say that to take screenshots. Okay, screenshots you all know, means in screen whatever we can see, if we want to want that in the picture format, like the way I'm sending you all the study material, for that thing we are just using the print screen. Okay, today is up to this. From next class we will just read the next part. Please give a nice reading and let me know if any kind of problem is there.